Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to integrate Google Calendar in your website. So please stick around to the end to get all the steps in doing this. So in order to insert or embed our Google Calendar in any website, we just need to go to our Google Calendar. You want to make sure that you have the right account. And then on the left sidebar where you have your monthly view, underneath it, you're going to see My Calendars and Other Calendars. You're going to select the calendar you want. In this case, we're going to select the first one. And then we're going to click on the three dots which appear when you hover over it. When you click on it, you're going to go over to Settings and Sharing. When we click on Settings and Sharing, we have some other options. Now our goal here is to look for the embed code. So we're going to scroll down to search for it. As you can see here, we have the heading Integrate Calendar. You can see the calendar ID, which is of course your email address. Now you have the option to use the URL or the embed code. I prefer to use the embed code, so we're going to click on it. And once you click once on it, it's going to select everything. You could right click on it and click on copy. Now, when you copy this embed code, you can go over to your website. In this case, we're going to be using our Sites by Google. Here in sites.google.com, we've selected a template in order to show you how to do this. Now, you can select anywhere in your web page. For example, we're selecting here. And then on the right sidebar, you have the option to embed. Now, depending on the web builder you're using, or if you're doing a hard code, all you need to do is to put in the embedded code in your website like so. So for sites.google.com, we're going to be using the embed option because we have it available. When we click on it, you have the option to put in your URL and your embed code. So you get to choose. Remember, we copied the embed code, so we're going to be switching over to the embed code tab and we're going to click on paste, which is a Ctrl V on Windows. Now we have the embed code, we're going to click on next. This will take us to a page where we can see a preview of how our calendar will look like. Now it's looking good enough, we're going to click on insert. And now you can see that the calendar is integrated now into our website. We've just inserted this calendar using the embed code. Of course, you could decide to use the URL as indicated on your Google Calendar. So since we're using embed code, it works and we have it right now. Of course, you have the option to scale it a bit, stretch it if you want, and then you will still have it the same way. And now we have our Google Calendar integrated in our website.